Hey guys, I'm going to go over a little bit of an easier task today. I think you're going to be categorizing independent and dependent events. And so, biggest thing here is also vocabulary like before. You need to know that independent means it's done on its own and it doesn't have any impact or is affected by any other thing. And so what will happen is you'll be asked to find like the probability of something, which I'm not asking you guys to find the probability today. I'm asking you to just categorize them. um, you'll be asked to find the probability of events, and sometimes the first choice impacts the second, very similar to like those compound events yesterday. So, two events are independent if one outcome does not impact the other. So, if you randomly choose a marble from a bag, you put the marble back and draw the second marble. What that means is I take out a marble, my chance of getting a red one is 2 out of 7 since there are 2 red out of 7. I put that marble back, so there are still 7 left in the bag. So the chance of getting green is going to be 5 out of 7. So then yesterday when you were finding compound events, you needed to multiply those. Dependent events is when they do impact each other. So this is going to be like me taking out that marble and not putting it back. So the first try, I'm going to have 2 red out of 7. Then because I took 1 out, I'm now left with 6 and 5 of them are green. And so if I wanted to know the probability of getting those at the same time, we would multiply. So what I want you to do on this slide is take these categories. Actually, I'm going to delete this because this is going to be your assignment. I didn't realize that they were the same names and same scenarios. So ignore what I'm just saying. I'm going to delete those now. And I did those same kinds of questions here where you'll click on the text box and or the circle, and if they are independent or dependent, you'll color code them. So it says Josiah has a bag of assorted jelly beans. He pulls one out, puts it back in, and then pulls out another. Because he puts that original one in, they do not rely on each other whatsoever. So I want you to that this is independent, so you can color it red. I feel like that's really dark red, so I'm going to go with a lighter shade. And then that's all your assignment for me today. I felt like yesterday I asked a more difficult assignment, so I wanted to kind of pull it back a little bit and go over that. So please let me know if you have any questions. I heard from several students yesterday. End of quarter is next Friday, and you guys don't forget you have to do some IXLs this week for me too. So just kind of make sure you're working today, playing catch up on everything you need.